Hey guys, so we just made it to the quad bike place, as you can see. The vibes are vibing, the weather's great, it's hot but it's not too hot. My edges are still alive, that's how I know today's a little bit better. But yeah, the guy who picked us up was playing, he was like, where are you guys from? Then we told him, and then he was playing us Zim music. I don't like jab, but you know, it was good. But yeah, so excited to get into it.
Very easy to manage. It's nothing to do with food. Only is with hands.
Okay.
Everything is with hands.
Okay.
Brake is with hands, to accelerate is with hands, and you just have to brake, accelerate.
Yeah.
And here it's like who have a driving license here?
Except
automatic car. Okay. You drive automatic car. You gonna drive? You drive? You drive?
I can drive, but I don't have a license.
Oh, you can then?
Yeah.
Okay, just come here close to me. Here, what we're gonna use is H to go in front, R to go in back. In the automatic car, H is like a D. Please don't use L, because L, you have more power. If you want to track like just here. You want to track just here.
Okay.
Because it's more power, but it's more slowly.
Okay.
You understand? We use L and R. And if hash and R, yes. And if we park, we use P.
Okay.
It's not brake here. It's not brake. It's extra brake that you have to use.
Okay.
Just use P.
P for park.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay. So we are going on the trip. On the trip we are going to visit 3 places, okay? Yes, 3 places, 2 beaches and 1 village. In the village people, they are very nice, very welcoming. You are free to take photos, videos. You can ask them as many questions as you want. They are very comfortable, okay? Normally, in the village, there is a donation box. It's for the development of the village, but not mandatory to donate, okay? One thing, when you leave the village, don't start giving money randomly to the kids. It's dangerous. There are very many kids in the village. Very many kids in the village. So if you start giving money randomly, you will make all kids to learn to use it. You will like a scramble. Don't do that, okay? Yes. Also for the ladies, when you leave the village, they will give you something to wear, okay? It's their culture there because it's an Islamic village, okay? Don't refuse. When you go out of the village, they will take it off, okay? Yes. On the road, you have to make sure that your helmet is on. It's a must, okay? While driving. When you brake for a stop, you can take it off. But while driving, it's a must. Overtaking and drifting, they are strictly prohibited, okay? We don't have hospitals here in Zanzibar. You get an accident, you have to fly, okay?
Yeah, hospitals for me only.
Yeah, here we only use traditional herbs, no reliable hospitals. Yes, so you just have to follow your guidance rule and your guidance speed. because they know the road much better than you, okay?
Yeah.
Yes. And if you do anything dangerous, then the guidance will stop the trip immediately, okay? Also, when driving, you have to maintain 10-meter distance for safety. Yeah. Do you have any questions?
Schemes and packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling the floor like the ocean. My boat, I'm paddling.
Hey guys, so I'm vlogging from my phone today. Good choice because of everything that we're doing. So right now we are what's the name of this beach? Jomba. Now we're at Jomba Beach and it is stunning. Okay, stunning. Okay. Guys, the sands are white. The water is clear. There's a little strip that seems to go into the water. I think we might do that as well. But yeah, it's a beautiful day to turn 29. God is good, guys. Like, God is so good. But yeah, so I don't know if you guys can see, but like we're going all the way there. So yeah, just waiting for these guys to come down. But yeah, no, God is so good. I'm so grateful to be here. Shakanaka kuwapano, okay? Anyway, guys, yeah, also the quad biking was so nice. It was like a nice proper distance. Quite a Zimbabwe quad bike for 10 minutes one way, 10 minutes more talk. Like we went through not the city, but we went through like Nungwi, and now we're like Mkati to come all the way here. Like it's just so beautiful. So yeah, now I think we're gonna chill here. I think at some point, so yeah, we're stopping at a beach and then a village and then a beach, and then there's a swim. I'm not gonna swim now. I'm gonna swim later because we're gonna do the glass kayak and then jet ski. So I'd rather swim at that point. Anyway, let's go. How was the quad bike? Baby, how's the quad bike?
It was really nice. It was so nice. The longest that I've been on a quad bike, and the terrain, like we went from village to city to Kuma plots to, I mean, it's been really nice.
Yeah, it's been nice.
Yeah,
guys, so let's go and enjoy.
People are like walking there.
Yeah, I've seen people get proposed to on that strip of sand, like on Instagram. Yeah, I think it's the same strip of sand. Yeah, unless if they have multiple ones like this.
Anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to get to my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. For my people, then go say, I know one bike, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Don't tell me what's it go? You want go? All the money, they can ride the boat.
Hey guys, what's up? So we are now trying to eat. We went quad biking and it was so much fun. But Tanaiwa in the village, okay? When we got to the village, I think this is the last thing I showed you guys. It started raining and it was like red soil. It was hectic. But in the end, we're just like, let's just go because we're actually going to wait for a long time, and it was really nice. So now we're at the tuna fish restaurant, or the tuna restaurant, and we just ordered food. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. Yeah, let me show you what everyone's eating. I forgot to do that yesterday, sorry. we just jet skied and it was so good. Like at first I was just going pole as they'd say. And then the guy came back to get, and then when I came back, woo! How was it? Would you do it again?
In 10 years, yes.
In 10 years, alright. Oh. Ma'am, how was it? Barely. The lighting is bad. It was nice? Okay, wait. Say it to the vlog. How was it?
It was nice.
Yeah? You would do it again?
Definitely.
Me too. I had so much fun. So yeah, guys, we had so much fun. So yeah, what I was saying was like, so when we came back from like the test run, Glinda asked the guy to take me again, but with him driving fast so that I could really like get the vibe and like feel free. Because obviously with the quad bikes this morning we had to be, you know, pole because we were on the road. But this time around, it was so good. I was out there going fast and everything, and I did like a 2.9 in the water because I'm 29. Now guys, we had fun. So next we need to go to the glass kayaking.
Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take my way. Plenty so far.
Hey guys, we're ready for dinner. This is my birthday dress. I wanted a diva plunge and I wanted a halter neck, but we're here. I think red looks really nice on me though, so I'm glad I did it because y'all know I'd be wearing white and black. So yeah, oh, my bangles are stuck. But anyway, we're going to the Sexy Fish and hopefully it's worth the hype on TikTok. So let's go. Okay guys, so after all the fun and adventure that we experienced, it was time to get ready for my birthday dinner. So we went to the Sexy Fish and it was stunning, worth the TikTok hype. To be fair, it's like new, I think, and there are not many TikToks on it, but when I was looking for a place to have my birthday dinner, this seemed good. Everyone was so welcoming right from the door. Everyone was so nice. The decor was nice, and the food was sensational. So I had the beef carpaccio for my starter. For my main, I had the lobster curry, and yeah, for my dessert, I had this brownie, and they wrote happy birthday on the plate, and they sang the Hakuna Matata song that they were singing on the boat the other day. I think that's like their national song for like tourists, but it was cute. And then happy birthday. And then after that we went home to drink and chill. So we were told about this place called Cocobello, which is a club which pops on a Wednesday. So seeing as it was a Wednesday, we went home and we drank because we had some liquor. Didn't get to pop my bottle at midnight like I normally like to because we were so tired. We barely made it to midnight. So yeah, popped the bottle, toasted with the girls, drank a bit, and then we went to Cocobello, which was actually really nice. Please tell me why they had random like groups coming in to like dance at different points of the night. It was cute, and I managed to record one of them. But yeah, Cocobello was actually a vibe.
When I get you with the jabata, I no get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all the men, the cash, ride the foot, I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the men. Die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to my way. plenty, so far we face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. You tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the cafe, ride the boat, I know be die for nothing.
Cheers to 29. Oh, the lighting is so bad there, guys. Okay, cheers to 29.
I was supposed to come in.
Oh my goodness.
Well, the fan is a paid actor. Have you turned it off? It's still. Okay.
They call freedom dancers, as I say right now, ladies and gentlemen. It's just a party, it's just a show, with freedom dancers. All the way from Zanzibar. ladies and gentlemen, the freedom dancers. Come on. the freedom dancers. In case you don't know, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Let's sing. Let's sing. Let's sing.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day in Zanzibar. Today, look at me looking the shade dark already in their footing. But anyway, so today we are going parasailing in their footing. Disappear. Let's start again. Hey guys, welcome to another day in Zanzibar. So yeah, as you can see, I'm ready. We're about to go out. We're going parasailing, and then after that we're gonna come back to the Airbnb and check out, and then we're gonna hit the other side of the island. We're going to Paje for our last night on the island. So tomorrow we're gonna be here all day, but we're not sleeping here. So yeah, pretty excited about parasailing. Hope it goes well. I've only ever seen like videos, obviously, so yeah, but I love me a good adrenaline rush, so I feel good about it. And yeah, just happy to be I'm just happy to be here. Okay guys, let's get into it.
I know one die, I know one baby, I want enjoy, I want jump life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? Chihuahua, all the pen, the cash, ride the whip, I know fit, die for nothing. What's it come? Chihuahua, all the pen, the cash, ride the whip, I know fit, now.
Hey guys, so now we're on the boat. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, we are heading into the deep water so we can parasail. I am so excited.
Okay. Start from the boat to go high and landing back in the boat. Yes. And for fun, if the wind, the boats, your weight is okay. You're gonna land a little bit in the water, touch your water, and then it comes up. If you want.
Yeah, I want.
I hope you're gonna.
Hey, I'm the one you guys don't want.
You're gonna want as well when you see.
Okay guys, so we went parasailing in the end after waiting for these guys for the longest time. But it was an amazing experience. Just being up in the air suspended like that was actually really peaceful and quiet. It was really nice. So after this, we went back to Tuna restaurant to grab some food. Unfortunately, I didn't enjoy the food on this day. The chapati and the samosa were oily. Also, I don't know, the filling didn't taste nice for the samosa. And for the curry itself, there was just too many flavors going on. Like, I love a good curry with the right kind of spices and stuff, but sometimes like it's just too much. I also ordered the king prawn curry, but they brought me one with shrimp. I don't like shrimp because I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes it tastes funny. Like, it tastes like it's off. And so that's why I just prefer like normal prawns, you know? So yeah, did not enjoy that. Anyway, after this, we headed to Paje on the other side of the island, where we were spending the final night at Samawa Living Boutique Hotel, which was so stunning, okay? This was a new build, and yeah, they met us at the door with some refresher towels that had like lemongrass and something else in them. Like, it was really nice and refreshing. They also had this hibiscus tea for us, which was actually really nice. I'd never tried it before, but I'm definitely a convert now. As for the room tour, child, so this is me and Patricia's room, and it was stunning. Okay, the bathroom with the double sinks, the 4-poster bed, like everything was just like to my liking. I'm glad that it was very much like a this is what I ordered and this is what I got type situation. We were not bamboozled at all, which is nice. And then yeah, some of the girlies went to the beach and I just stayed in and tried to rest and watched some YouTube. Then we went to the Rock restaurant. Hey, this place is overrated, guys. Like, I ordered the steak on a stick. Please tell me why they just wrapped some mincemeat around the stick in the thinnest layer possible. Gave me a little bit of mashed potatoes, and that was a $32 meal. Honestly, worst food on the island. Everyone else's food, like, I think most people just found it okay. Like, we might as well have eaten at the tuna fish restaurant for $10. You know what I mean? Like, there was nothing amazing about this, except for the live music, which they do on Thursdays. Otherwise, Rock restaurant is not worth it, I'm sorry to say. Hey guys, welcome back. So I feel like we did not speak much today, which sucks, but like, it's just been one of those days. I'm also tired AF, okay? But as you've seen by now, actually, you know what? I'm gonna insert this and then I'll show you guys the hotel. As you can tell, we're now in a different space. But anyway, today, oh my gosh, last night after dinner, we went to Cocobello? Cocobello. We went to Cocobello, which is like a Cocobello, yeah. It's like a club. It was really nice. Like, it was a whole indoor-outdoor vibe. People were dancing. They even had like performances, as in like people actually, like groups coming to dance. It was a vibe. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 would definitely go back. And then we got home in the AMs, and then we had to be up. We had to be ready by 9:30 because we're supposed to go parasailing at 9:30. Please tell me, huh? We got home at 4, guys. Tandara too, because I remember I passed out in the lounge. Yeah, so we got home at 4, and then we had to be ready by like 5:30. 9:30. Please tell me why these people didn't even show up until like 10:30, and then we were still waiting an hour. So we waited for about 20, 30 minutes, right? At their offices, which are like right by the beachfront. And then we got on the boat, and obviously we had to drive out and all of that. But then it looked like it was gonna rain, and of course that would have like messed up the weather conditions would have been messed up for parasailing. So yeah, we had to wait that out, and then after that we finally started after 11:30, and then obviously that then like pushed things like down. For example, we were gonna have to leave Nungwi on the opposite end to come here where we are now, which is like Paje, and that was like an hour and 40 minutes drive. So that meant we weren't gonna make it to the caves to do the whole turtle swimming thing. We also wanted to go to the spa. We weren't able to do that. So like them not being on time had like a domino effect on the rest of the day. Anyway, we drove here. Hey, driver, guys, the way he was driving was so reckless. It was just so reckless. Like, I never want to see that man again. Like, he needs to do better, or like, hey, stop doing that job, because he was not driving properly. Anyway, we got here, and Patricia, Gigi, and Angel went to the beach, but then it was dirty, so they came back. Well, they chilled there for a bit, but then they came back. They couldn't go in the water. I stayed behind. I tried to sleep, but I don't know, just as I was falling asleep, that's when they came back, and I heard Patricia. So yeah, but I got to rest my body at least. Noli also did the same. She was tired too. Y'all, I was tired. Like, after a hectic night out, I can't do anything useful. I need to just rest. But then we had a lot to do today, so I was fighting for my life, on top of the fact that I'm already tired. But anyway, so yeah, then we got ready for dinner and we went. Okay, so now that you guys have watched how the rest of the evening and all of that went, the Rock restaurant is overrated. Let's start there. For me personally, I think the food was just okay. Like, there was nothing sensational about it. I also think that the menu is very basic. I don't know, for those kind of prices and just like everything involved, I don't know, I had higher expectations, and I thought it would be like a better experience, but it was not. It was not. That was disappointing. My food was also very disappointing. That steak on sticks thing, first of all, you and I can all see, guys, that was mincemeat. It was a very, very thin layer of mincemeat too that had just been like put on the thing for $32 with mashed potato. For $32, that was honestly very disappointing. But I guess that's the thing with Instagram things, hey. But I mean, I did see like a TikTok where another person was saying that the food was made, blah blah blah. So yeah, but anyway, I guess we got the experience. We got to walk back though, because of the whole tide moon situation, the water was so far back. By the time we were done, we could actually walk, which was nice, because y'all know I love to swim and I love a good boat moment, but like, every day, Jack. So yeah, that was just okay. Anyway, we're back now. I actually have to work, so I had gotten the time wrong, first of all, because I'd forgotten that I didn't change my work schedule to match Zanzibar time, which means that 11 p.m. that I'm supposed to be working is 11 p.m. Zim time, which is midnight here. So I just did some packing for tomorrow, and I wanted to wear this white dress, but I can't be bothered to iron. It needs to be ironed, so I think I'm just gonna let that go. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna chill for a bit, work for a bit, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. And I think we'll join the vlogs for today and tomorrow to be one vlog. Yeah, we'll join the vlogs to be one vlog. Today, tomorrow, we also head back to the mainland tomorrow night, and then I'll return to Harare. So yeah, the next 48 hours will be one vlog as well. Okay guys, good night. So the next morning, our last day on the island, we went to have breakfast downstairs. So what they actually do at Samawa Living is like not a buffet breakfast. They have like a menu for the day. I don't know if it's the same every day, but anyway, there's a menu and then you just pick from the menu. So they have different things. It's not like one thing that you pick. So for example, we started with some fruit, and then we also had like the usual sort of egg, sausage, what breakfast. And then after that, they also had like a waffle and a muffin, but like their stuff was taking so long to come out and we had to go, so I did not manage to have that, which was disappointing because I really wanted that. Their juice was also nice, but it tasted really watered down. So I don't know what that's about, but like the pineapple was like not sweet, you know, the normal sweetness you'd expect from a pineapple juice. Even the watermelon, like, yeah, but it was really tasty though. So yeah, we got ready and we headed to feed the turtles. Yeah, that was also really, really nice.
Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shout out, Cocobello, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a I be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one bite, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come?
Hey guys, so we fed the turtles and it was cute. Now we're at Mtende Beach and we're just walking down. This is the OOTD with the cover up, and yeah, let's go. So we booked an excursion with Paladin for Mtende Beach and so on. Don't book through Paladin, guys. Book it by yourself, because all Paladin did was link us with like a tour guide essentially. Like there's nothing sensational about it. We really could have booked it by ourselves, paid less money, and yeah, a 0 out of 10 did not recommend booking anything through Paladin, to be honest, because they're really not doing you a favor. Hey guys, we are now at Malum Caves, and yeah, I think it's like it's a place where you can swim in the caves, kind of like the turtle situation, but with no turtles. So let's go.
This one I got you with the jabata. I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that bata. Biggie man, we don't be where I bata. What's it come? You are come, all depend. They catch ride the foot, and the feet.
Guys, so we are done. The Malum Caves was really nice. It was very clean. We did lots of swimming in the natural waters. It was really nice. Now we are leaving Samawa and we are going to pick something up on the way to the airport. We're flying to the mainland. We're going to sleep on the mainland and then we're flying out tomorrow. So God is good.
Just to make your money, but my people then go say, I know one bite, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go?
Hey guys, so we are delayed. We were supposed to leave the island at 11 p.m. We've now been delayed by 2 hours, so we're leaving at past 1 in the morning, and they only informed us of this when we were like on our way here, not even in the morning or anything. But yeah, at least we're still heading back today. Hopefully we still head back today because our flight to Harare is at 7 a.m. So we land at 2, 7 we're already leaving. So yeah, but I will say these airlines never seem to run on time. Precision Air is 0 out of 10, okay? What was it? Flight Link, something like that, also 0 out of 10. But yeah, let's see, at least we have somewhere to sit. We can't even check in because our flight's not open for check-in. Yeah. Guys, it's almost midnight. They're finally letting us check in. There's hope, Sana. Hey guys, so we're now checking in for our flight to Harare. This delay leaving Zanzibar, we literally landed on the mainland in Dar es Salaam at like 3 a.m. Now we're checking in at 5 a.m. So I honestly can't wait to get home to sleep because I'm fighting. So we're all checked in. We are leaving for Harare soon. What time is our boarding? Okay, so we're boarding at 5 minutes to 7, which is good. Manji, we're boarding, guys. Yeah, God is so good. Because you guys know the debacle we dealt with in Zanzibar. So yeah, I'm so relieved. I'm so tired. I actually just want to get home and sleep. But anyway, yeah, let's go.
You do them must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take me to another way. Plenty so far with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go?
Hey guys, what's up? So we're back home. As you can see, we're back home. And I actually just realized that I haven't spoken to you since we came back, and it's been like 3 weeks now. Sorry about that. But anyway, guys, Zanzibar was amazing. It was amazing. It was honestly a trip of a lifetime. And I think, it was a combination of Zanzibar itself just being amazing, but also the company, it was really nice just having a girls' trip. I've never been on a girls'... I have. But it was like one night in Plet. But it wasn't really a girls' trip. It turned out to be my friend's proposal. But anyway, I say all this to say it was nice to experience a girls' trip and just share those memories and experiences with my friends. So yeah, 10 out of 10 do recommend. I'm gonna do a separate video on how to plan a Zanzibar trip effectively, because I think that it's really not the kind of place that you go and go with the flow. I know some people don't like to plan, but if you want to fully enjoy your trip, you definitely need to do some planning. And the reason for that is because you might be like, okay, yeah, today I want to feed the turtles, right? Meanwhile, you're in Nungwi. The turtles are an hour and 40 minutes away, right? So just traveling there and back, you've already spent 3 hours. And so you've already spent just over 3 hours on the road in the same day. You know what I'm saying? So It's definitely the kind of place where having a rough itinerary, if not like a proper itinerary, is important. So I'm definitely gonna do a separate video so that I can maybe just like explain some of the things that you also need to know, need to have, and also share our itinerary in case that's something that you would want as well. So yeah guys, I'm so grateful for that. Definitely the best birthday trip so far, and yeah, I'm so excited to see where God's gonna take me next year. Oh, this year, we're in 2025 now, child. So yeah, I'm excited to see where God's gonna take me this year, and I hope it's a fire thing as well, because I hope it's a fire thing as well. But anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and also go to my Instagram and check out my latest video. Okay, by the time you see this, it won't be the latest, but anyway, check out my Instagram because I just filmed a skincare tutorial with Black Opal. Period. I've actually been using their skincare routine, their skincare products, the whole of December, because like I like to use skincare before I post about it, because I don't want to just promote things to you that like I feel some type of way about or I don't really enjoy. So this, and you guys also saw the rest of the Zanzibar vlog, like my skin, period. So go check it out. I use the cleansing soap, the toner, and the serum, and then of course SPF is part of my daily routine as well. So yeah, check it out. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Mwah.
Different things, them happening, schemes and packaging in a one night.